this video, we're going to be showing you how to sync up your Arvig email with an Apple computer. The first thing we're going to do is open up the mail icon at the bottom of the screen. Once it opens, we should be prompted to choose a mail account provider. We're going to go to the bottom and choose Other Mail Account. Hit Continue, and we're going to go ahead and enter some base information starting with our name, moving down to our email address, and then finally entering our password. Once we have all of that, we can go ahead and click Sign In. From here, we'll have to enter a little more information. The first thing we're going to start with is account type. We're going to change it from IMAP to POP. From there, we're going to enter our incoming mail server, which is going to be webmail.arvig.net. We're going to go down to outgoing mail server and enter the same thing, webmail.arvig.net. We can leave the username blank because it'll automatically fill it in once we click Sign In. And once we have all of that information, we can click Sign In. And once it verifies, once you get emails coming in, you'll know your account is set up correctly.
For more information, call, click, or visit Arvig.